I don't know what to take anymore. Sabi ko, Daddy, it's not worth it. Let her understand na may consequences lahat ng ginagawa. Explain ko lahat sa kanya. She got angry, she cried. Are you pretty even though you don't have lipstick?
Yes. Welcome back to our channel.
What are you doing? Why do you always want to climb? Flying kiss. Mwah. Wait lang ha. Achi is not here. Achi in school na. I'll start nima with my work lang ga ha. Wow, makeup mommy. What's that? What is that?
Perfume.
Wow, perfume. This is a perfume. What happened to your clothes? What is this? Huh?
Wanna be pretty.
Oh, thank you. You are also pretty. Very pretty. Wait lang ha.
I need a bit. What is that? Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. Oh, thank you. Hello, Achi. How's school?
Wait, you know I'm making
Bagong gising.
Mommy.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeat sinking.
It's already, no, so 2 p.m. Magti-3 na. And my 2 kids, yung younger kids, nasa room na nila, nanap. Yung eldest ko, andyan, nagbabasa ng book. Hi, Achi! And ako naman, still working. Pagpagla kasi parang minadali namin yung paglinis. As in, so titingnan mo yung bahay, ganun pa rin. I don't know. I cannot. Parang feel ko ang dami ng clutter. Daming bagay. But it's part of it. Pero yun nga. At least yung sa room namin. Kanina kasi si Daddy nag-decide siya na to clean his work area. Talagang nag-organize siya ng mga wires niya, cables niya, everything. Kasi nga, diba yun nga, nag-change siya ng laptop sa company nila, lahat ng yun. So, by doing that, naglinis na lang kami, yung under the bed, lahat ng yun. So, parang, I think may nagawa kami. And then, here, kahit yung mga areas din ng bahay namin, check ko yung iba. But I'm feeling down because yun nga, kanina nung nagla-lunch kami, yung si Feifei, naglalaro siya sa ball with Kai Kai. And natamaan nila yung monitor ko dito sa house. It's a big ball, pero nahulog kasi. I think it's also because of the table. Kasi yung table, pero basta hindi siya fixed for that. I don't know what to take anymore, pero ayan. Natamaan yung taas na part. So, parang may line siya. Not sure if kita or, pero yun talaga yung malaki. And it's really frustrating. Pero, I commend Daddy Harvey on how we handle the situation kanina. Talagang, I know, si Daddy yung trigger niya talaga is yung mga things na, yun nga, yung parang hindi naiingatan. Very careful talaga siya kasi sa mga gamit niya, lahat ng yun. So, I know that this will make him angry. Sa kanya kasi to ang monitor and I'm just using it. So, kanina, nung nangyari talagang, nagulat kami talagang, it's a big sound, malaking sound kasi talagang, natumba siya yung monitor sa table. Tapos, yun nga, ibang table kasi to, kaya nag-change ako ng table. Tapos talagang, I talked to him, tumingin ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, Daddy, it's not worth it to be, na talagang super sa temper, I understand you lahat ng, so, ginawa niya. Pumasok siya ng room. Sabi niya magtatago daw siya sa room. Sinag-slam siya ng door. May galit pa rin talaga siya. Ma-feel mo talaga yung galit niya. Pero, he did not get angry. He did not shout sa mga kids. As binigay niya muna sa akin kasi ako usually yung nakaka-handle ng mga ganito with the kids. So, nagtago doon siya sa room. Then, I talk with Feifei. Alam ni Feifei yung ginawa niya. Grabe yung sorry niya. Pero, syempre, yung batang yun, when I was talking to her, I was trying to let her understand yung gravity ng ginawa niya. Pero, she's getting angry. Siya pa yung nagalit kasi hindi ko tinanggap pa yung sorry niya. Parang gusto niya sorry lang and then it's done. No talking. So, hindi yun pwede. I need to let her understand na may consequences lahat ng ginagawa niya. And at that time na nagpe-play siya, dapat kumakain siya. Pero hindi siya kumakain. Siya nagsisit down sa table. She is, yun nga, playing around yun. So, in-explain ko lahat sa kanya. She got angry. She cried. Lahat tayo. But I tried to explain, tried to talk to her. Pinakam down ko siya muna, tapos kinausap ko siya. Tapos yun nga, sabi ko sa kanya, you need to understand yung ginawa niya, lahat ng yun. And tawag nito, grabe talaga, pero yun nga sabi ko sa kanya, as a punishment, she cannot play na yung switch kasi ngayon nagsa-start na siya mag-play. So, she cannot play until we say so. So, grounded siya doon. Tapos sabi ko, you need to say sorry to your daddy. Lahat ng yun. Pero pinakamdam ko siya muna kasi parang hindi niya maintindihan. So, nag-try ako talks again sa kanya lahat ng yun. Talagang hindi niya pa mag-guess. Pinapakita ko sa kanya. Pero yun nga. Pero ako syempre, ganun lang ako. Calm down ako. Pero syempre, it's frustrating. Alam niyo yun. Kakainis siya. Nandun talaga yung inis, lahat. Yung parang, hindi ko na alam kung sino sisisihin ko. Is it me? Dahil, yun nga, hindi siya naka-fix. Yung monitor, I know it's an accident, pero lahat na yun. And ang frustrating kasi, nakikita ko siya. Kaya tumabalik-balik siya. Dito siya sa harap ko while I'm working. Nakikita ko yung sira and naiinis ako. Hanggang kanina, then tapos nun, after, punta na ako kay Daddy, na rin siya, calm down na siya, I hug him, we talk to each other, I say sorry, kasi ako yung nag-borrow sa kanya, I should also be responsible to taking care of it, lahat ng yun, tapos sabi ko, if you calm down na, you talk to Feifei, lahat, so I think kinausap niya na kanina, lahat ng yun. But it's so hard. Ngayon, parang, kanina pa ako nag-inhale, exhale dahil doon, kasi, inis talaga ako kasi alam mo naman, I think I shared it in my previous vlog, yung sa New Year, last month lang, nasiraan ako ng laptop. Palagi naman sinasabi ni Daddy, it's normal kasi may bata, it's normal. Tapos minsan accident siya talaga, hindi mo talaga sinasadya. You're clumsy, lahat ng yun. So you cannot blame anyone, lahat ng yun. Pero I know, alam mo rin, you need to be careful, iniingatan mo naman yung mga gamit mo, wala kang, things happen, and I know there's a learning on it, may plano sila, I don't know, pero, trying to calm down, everybody, even me, ako talaga yung trying to calm down. Nakatulong yung paglinis namin, kaya kanina naglilinis kami, quiet lang kami lahat ng yun. Pero, andyan pa rin siya, yun nga. It's okay, it's okay. I think I will listen to tatapusin ko yung audio Bible ko kanina. I think that's a good idea. Settle down kasi yun nga. I'll be finishing my work also kasi aalis kami earlier pa. Lalabas kami to meet friends kasi si Daddy magpa-practice din siya. I think that's good, that's good.
Hello!
Video then.
This is me.
Video Daddy.
Mommy, test it.
I
There.
want to get it.
Testing mo.
Ang what?
Ini spread.
This is me.
You're all that I think of. Every cup I drink
And this is the
of.
gift of
You're my
my
tight
seed.
girl, my little tight girl.
So you are gonna be my gift? Yeah. You gonna be my gift. You gonna be my gift. No, see. 6, 7.
Stop saying that if you don't understand it.
6, 7.
You stop na if you do not understand what you're saying. Do you understand what are you saying?
No. Ellie was playing Switch kanina. She was very loud while we were practicing.
Really ka? Very loud.
Kasyagin siya rin.
Paano?
It's so fun! Sabi, quiet lang.
Ano, Ivan? Okay, lagi po sa...
Ganda naman sila ni, ano.
I'm back.
Are you pretty?
Yes,
Why do you put makeup? What is that? Why do you have lipstick?
because I want lipstick.
Why?
I love this.
Are you pretty even though you don't have lipstick?
Yes,
Very good.
but I'm pretty also if I have shine in my hand.
Yeah.
And
Why we need to cut your nails now, okay?
And I magic with my hands.
You have magic? What magic?
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra. Yeah.
Then what will happen?
You're a pig.
What? Why do you want to make mommy a pig?
I like you being a pig. Abracadabra. You are a cow. Sing moo.
Moo. Boy.
Abracadabra.
Just like the snow when the ray of sun is found. And I'm crazy about you, baby, can't you see? Yes, you belong to me, and I'm yours exclusively. And right now we'll even breathe each other. Taas ba? Singin mo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita?